On behalf of Society for Visually Handicapped Kolkata, this is Manhula reading a textbook of Higher English Grammar, Composition and Translation by P.K.D. Sarkar. Part 1. A textbook of Higher English Grammar. Chapter 1. Sentences. Number 1. Page number 1. A sentence is a group of words giving a complete sense. In the following examples, the group of words on the left are not sentences because they do not make a complete sense, but those on the right do so, and hence they are sentences. On the left, did it. Complete sentence, I did it. Can do. Complete sentence, I can do it. Is. Complete sentence, is he ill? A good boy. Complete sentence, a good boy said this. Number 2. Sentences may be divided into 5 classes, each of which may be further subdivided into 2. Number 1. Affirmative. That is, affirming something. And negative. That is, denying something. हाँ वाचक, ना वाचक. Affirmative, हाँ वाचक. Negative, ना वाचक. First, assertive. Sentences make a simple statement. Example, I know him, or I do not know him. B. Interrogative. Prashnavachak. Sentences asking questions like, why is he there? Why is he not there? C. Imperative. Sentences express command or respect. Come here. Do not come here. D. Optative. Sentences express a wish. Ichhavachak. May he live long. E. Exclamatory. Sentences express a sudden feeling or emotion. Achanak. How nice! Alas, he is no more. Note. Some make a different division. They classify sentences as number 1. Statements which simply affirm or deny something, as in A above. A. Assertive sentences make a simple statement. I know him, I do not know him. Second, questions which ask questions, as in interrogative sentences. Why is he there? Why is he not there? Desires which contain some desire, order or request, as in imperative and optative. Come here, do not come here. Optative, may he live long. Fourth, exclamations which express a sudden feeling or emotion like, how nice! Alas, he is no more. Page 2. Exercise 1. Say what kind of sentence each of the following is. 1. I know you. 2. Will he go? 3. Come at once. 4. How foolish. 5. God save him. 6. He did not see me. 7. When did you come here? 8. Give me a pen. 9. Oh, could I be there? 10. I asked him this question. 11. Why is he not present here? 12. What a pity. 13. May you succeed. 14. Is he ill? 15. He does not like this. 16. Please do not say so. 17. May he not suffer. 18. The sun shines in the sky. 19. Try again. 20. May God help him. Chapter 2. The subject and the predicate. Look at the following sentences. Ram sings. The dog barks. His work is done. His name is known. A clever boy will act thus. My brother has gone. Each of the above sentences may be divided into two parts. Thus, first part is subject, then predicate. Ram sings. Ram is a subject. Sings is a predicate. The dog barks. The dog is a subject. Barks is predicate. His work is done. His work is subject. Is predicate is done is predicate. His name is known. His name subject. Is known predicate. A clever boy subject. Will act thus predicate. My brother subject. Has gone predicate. The first part denotes the person or things about whom or which something is said. They are called subjects. The subject is a word or a group of words that denote the person or thing about whom or which something is said. कुछ शब्द या शब्दों का समूह जो किसी व्यक्ति या चीज के बारे में बताता है. It must be a noun or a noun equivalent and may consist of any number of words. The second parts denote what are said about the subject. They are called predicate. The predicate is a word or a group of words that denote what is said about the subject. Subject के बारे में बताने वाला शब्द या शब्दों का समूह predicate कहलाता है. It must contain at least a finite verb expressed or understood. इसमें एक finite verb होना जरूरी है जिसको शब्द में लिखा जा सकता है या जिसको समझा भी जा सकता है. Fourth, the subject is often understood in some sentences, especially in imperative ones. Thus, go there is equal to go you there. Sit down is equal to sit you down. In analyzing such sentences, the subject has to be supplied. Exercise 2. Divide the following sentences into subjects and predicates. I know you. Second, Pandey has done this. Third, nobody loves a bad boy. Fourth, the wicked boy told me this. Fifth, 3 boys came to my house. Sixth, our school is a big one. Seventh, I love my mother country. Eighth, give me a book. Ninth, come at once. 10th, is he there? 11th, that young boy is my brother. 12th, the faithful dog followed its master. 13th, the poor man came to me for help. Honesty is the best policy. 15th. The little girl began to dance in joy. 16th. Barking dogs seldom bite. 17th. A little learning is a dangerous thing. 18th. A guilty mind is always suspicious. 19th. Cheap goods are dear in the long run. 20th. Everybody's business is nobody's business. Page 3, Chapter 3. Phases and clauses. Let us look at the following sentences. Come at once. He came to see me. She was at the point of death. I know that he is ill. The boy who did it is my brother. I went after he had gone. The groups of words written in italics in the examples on the left above do not make complete sentences and do not contain any finite verb, expressed or understood, but are used as single parts of speech. Such group of words are called phrases. The italic words in the sentences are come at once, at once. He came to see me, to see me. She was at the point of death, at the point of death. I know that he is ill, he is ill. The boy who did it is my brother, who did it. I went after he had gone, after he had gone. These are words written in italic. A phrase is a group of words that does not make a complete sense and does not contain a finite verb, expressed or understood, but is used as a single part of speech. The group of words written in italic in the examples on the right above contain subjects he, who, he respectively, and predicates is, ill, did it, had gone respectively, or their own, but form parts of longer sentences. Such groups of words are called clauses. A clause is a group of words having a subject and a predicate of its own, but forming part of a bigger sentence. Exercise 3. Point out the clauses and phrases. First, I met him on the way. 2. He did it in a careless manner. 3. I knew the name of the boy. 4. Tell me when he will arrive. 5th. Tell me the time of his arrival. 6th. The boy who came to see me is my friend. 7th. I knew what the name of the boy was. 8th. This is the boy who helped me. 9th. Come as soon as you can. 10th. The clock that was lost has been found. 11th. There is a tree in front of my house. 12th. There is a tree that stands in front of my house. 13th. Come at once. 14th. She is a girl of tender age. 15th. He was absent on account of illness. 16th. He was absent because he was ill. 17th. He walked with firm steps. 18th. The sun shines in the sky. 19th. He has lost the pen which I gave him. 20th. If you do this, you will succeed. Page 4, Chapter 4. Parts of speech. Words are generally divided into 8 classes or parts of speech according to the work they do in a sentence. First, a noun is a word which names any person or thing, like man, book, gold, India, country, sweetness, honesty, air. 2. An adjective. Adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of a noun. He is a good boy. This is a dark room. Give me a little milk. Many men were present. Note: according to ABC of English Usage, Oxford, adjectives also qualify pronouns, and he seems angry is given there as an example. We have also used like miserable me, though colloquial. Number 3. A pronoun. A pronoun is a word used for a noun or clause. Ram is not here. He is ill. He failed, which broke his heart. 4th, a verb. A verb is a word which states something about a person or a thing. He walks. He go. The sun shines. The rose smells sweet. Walks, go, shines, smells are verbs. An adverb. Adverb is a word which generally adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. He walks fast. Fast is adverb. He is very clever. Very is adverb. He did it quite easily. Quite is an adverb. A preposition. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or a noun equivalent to show its relation to some other word in the sentence. The book is on the table. He came to me. She is in the garden. So, on, to, in is preposition. A conjunction. Conjunction is a word which join words or phrases or clauses. He said this to Ram and Shyam. He sat behind you but in front of me. As he was ill, he did not go to school. So, and, but, and as are conjunctions. And interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotion, like alas, ha, bravo. Exercise 4, page 5. State a parts of speech of the words in the following sentences. 1. I know Ram, who gave you the book. 2. The school in which I read has a very good headmaster. 3. India is a very large country. 4. My friend went there and returned soon after. 5th. Bravo, this is very nicely done. 6th. The girl whom you saw in my room is Patnayak's sister. 7th. My mother and your sister were quite happy to see the sight. 8th. Gold is a very valuable metal. 9th. The tree fell, but nobody was hurt. 10th. Put the book on the table. 11th. He came just in time. 12th. Your friend will be very sorry if you do it. 13th. He came into the room after I had left it. 14th. He speaks fluently and well. 15th. The kind man gave me a piece of cloth and some money. 16th. Your brother or his friend has done the work. 17th. Give me a glass of water to drink. 18th. The old woman begged me for help. 19th. As you are ill, you should take rest for some time. 20th. He told me about the matter. 21st. Kamla, my sister is an intelligent girl. 22nd. I hope you will do the work in 2 days. Chapter 5. Nouns classification. Nouns are of 5 different types. Proper noun, common noun or class noun. C. Collective noun. D. Material noun. E. Abstract noun. Number 1, concrete and then abstract. Number 1, concrete noun is the name of an object of sense, that is, an object which can be seen, touched, heard, smelt or tasted. Boy, dog, song, flower, milk. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, action or state belonging to an object. Softness, smile, wealth, silence. A proper noun is the name of one particular person, place, thing or event or group of persons or places as distinct from each other. Ramesh, the Ganges, Calcutta, the Himalayas, the French Revolution, the Ramayana, the Hindus. Page 6. 11th. A common or class noun denotes no one person or thing in particular, but is common to any and every person or thing of the same kind. B. There are a few nouns generally classed as common, which are sometimes called singular noun, because there is only one of each of them known to us: earth, sun, moon, etc. C. When God and Lord refer to the Almighty, they are proper, but when they refer to the different gods of mythology and temporal lords, they are common. Thus, man, book like the Bible, Vedas, Quran, etc., river, country are common noun. A collective noun. Collective noun is the name of a group or collection of persons or things taken as a whole. Thus, in a flock of sheep, sheep is a common noun because it stands for any and every sheep. But flock is a collective noun because it stands for all the sheep referred to, taken together, and not any one sheep taken separately. Similarly, in an army of soldiers, a crowd of people, army and crowd are collective nouns as they stand respectively for all the soldiers and people referred to, taken together. The noun of multitude is practically the same as the collective noun, but a distinction is often made between them. A collective noun denotes one individual whole. Hence, the verb is singular. The army was defeated. The committee has approved the decision. B. A noun of multitude denotes the individuals of the group. Hence, the verb is plural, although the noun is singular in form. The jury, the men on the jury, were divided in their opinion. 13th. A material noun. Material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. It is also called the mass noun. Thus, river is a common noun, but water of which it is made is a material noun. Sheep is a common noun, but mutton, the flesh of a sheep, is a material noun. 14th. Noun can also be classified generally as countable and uncountable. A. Countable noun. Countable nouns stand for something that can be counted, like boy, apple, men, tree, house, etc. Only countable nouns have a plural form and can be used with the indefinite article like a and an. In the singular or many, few, a few, several, etc. in the plural. A schoolboy, a boy, an umbrella, many cows, few books, several boys. B. Uncountable. Nouns, uncountable nouns stand for something that cannot be counted, though they can be measured, like water, air, grass, glass, wood, sand, etc. Such nouns have no plural form and are not used with the indefinite article. They are preceded by much, little by to denote amount or quantity. Much money, little water. Some of these can, however, be both countable and uncountable according to the context in which they are used, with a change in the meaning. Paper, the substance on which we write. Uncountable, a paper. A newspaper, a piece of paper, countable. Glass, material, uncountable. A glass, a tumbler, countable. Wood, the table is made of wood, uncountable. Wood, the bungalow is in the middle of a wood, countable. Copper, metal, uncountable. Copper, coin, countable. Page 7, 15th. A proper noun becomes common when it is used in the descriptive sense to denote an object of a similar character to it. Valmiki is the Homer. That means a great poet like Homer. Valmiki is the Homer of India. B. When it applies to several persons of the same name. Like, I know the Patels of Bombay. There are 2 Surens here. 16th. Material and abstract nouns become common. A. When they are particularized. The water of this tank is clear. The water, the gold of Golconda is pure. Gold. They praised the honesty of the boy. Honesty. He committed a theft. Theft. B. When they denote things instead of the material and objects possessing the quality instead of the quality itself. He was put in irons. Chains made of iron. He is a justice of the High Court. That means he is judge of the High Court. She is a beauty. Beauty means a beautiful lady. She is a beauty, meaning she is a beautiful lady. This use of the abstract noun is known as abstract for concrete. 17. A collective noun becomes common when it denotes more groups than one. The armies of the Allies came in time. Armies. The armies of the Allies came in time. 18th. An abstract noun becomes proper when it is personified. That is, when it is spoken of as an individual person. It must then be written with a capital letter as proper nouns are. He is a child of fortune. Fortune. 19th. A common noun becomes proper when it denotes a particular person or thing, as distinguished from the class. Let our Father, that means God, let our Father bless us all. He was confined in the Tower, that means Tower of London. 20th. A common noun is sometimes used to express an abstract idea. Check the beast, that means beastly passion in you. The father in him could not bear the sight. Father means fatherly affection. This is known as concrete for abstraction. Abstract. Exercise 5, page 8. Classify the nouns in the following sentences. Number 1. Justice is a noble quality. 2. He is a justice of the peace. 3. The cleverness of the boy is admirable. 4. Fish live in water. 5th. Fish is good for food. 6th. She is a beauty. 7th. The iron of this pillar is good. 8th. He is the Milton of India. 9th. I am fond of mutton. 10th. The jury consists of 4 men. 11th. The jury were divided in their opinion. 12th. The crowd were dispersed. 13th. The patriot in him could not bear the insult. 14th. He invented paper. 15th. This paper is not good. 16th. I teach them grammar. 17th. This pen does not write well, but the ink is good. 18th. Rice is the principal food of the Bengalis. 19th. The Dattas of this village are rich. 20th. Iron is the most useful metal.